Welcome back. Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar accused Mamladars of manipulating the auctions of sluice gates. He also pointed out the illegal auctioning of sluice gates by Mamladars. Parrikar also demanded inquiry into his allegations. Speaker Pratap Singh Rane advised Revenue Minister to stop Mamladars' interference in sluice gate auctions. Revenue Minister has assured to examine the issue.
Speaker sir, हांगा प्रचंड भ्रष्टाचार चल्ला, प्रचंड. म्हणजे the amount which can come out of this auction is at least 3 times what is being shown on this in most of the cases. ज्या जाग्यार tenant association मातशें झगडटा, सांताक्रूज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आक्षें, त्या जाग्यार 12-12 लाख, 14-14 लाख अशे रेट आयल्या. आनी ज्या जाग्यार तांकां ती झगडपाची ताकद ना, त्या जाग्यार मामलेदार मॅन्युप्युलेट करता सरळ सरळ आनी ऑक्शन जाय ताका थोड्या अमावंटाक दिता. इतलेंच न्हय जाल्यार इतले उतावळे जाल्या की धाडो स्लूइस गेट करमळी आहा पळय, तो रिपेर जावचे पयलींच उदक सोडले भितर मामलेदारानूच.
Speaker sir.
This is a big racket. I want you to investigate. In Tiswadi particularly, there are 59 mancho, 59 mancha.
There is no need of Mamladar because they are association of the tenants.
Send someone else, depute Mamledar from the Bardes into Tiswadi for holding auction.
Yes.
Don't give the same Mamledar power. तो सगळे manipulation करता.
कमिटी नसले कारणान तांकां जे 5,000 सुद्दां काडपाक मेळटा न्ही ते काडपाक मेळना.
Okay.
त्या खातीर तांकां
10% मागतात.
तांकां तो full right दिवचो, तांकां ते पयशे वापरपाक.
Because the land is for the tiller. Already act is there, and why are you simply?
तांकां फूल रायट दिवचो ते पयशे काडपाक, कारण गांवांत जे उत्सव आसता ते पयशे जमोवन ते उत्सव करता.
A principal correspondent from Paravari, Murari Shetye, and video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath assured House to complete the Regional Plan 2021 by December 2010. He also informed House that government will notify Taluka plans one by one. Kamath said that in next 15 days, TCP will notify Pedne and Kankon plans.
स्टेट लेवल कमिटीन जी क्रायटेरिया अप्रूव केल्ली आसा तातूंत भितर जो इंडिविज्युअल आपलें घर बांदपाक एप्लिकेशन करता, मिनिमम प्लॉट 1,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर पर्यंत हीज एप्लिकेशन वील बी कन्सिडर्ड अशें डिसिजन घेतलां. कित्याक वी बिलीव दॅट 1,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर पर्यंत जो कोण एप्लाय करता फॉर चेंज ऑफ झोन वो आपलें स्वताचें घर आयच्या हातूंत बांदपाक सोदता. आणि म्हणून 1,000 पर्यंत तांची एप्लिकेशनां इंडिविज्युअल आहा, दोज वील बी कन्सिडर्ड फॉर चेंज ऑफ झोन.
Final.
Speaker sir, it was decided that we will release taluka plans one by one. 2 talukas which are being finalized are Kankona and Pednem, and
Finalize them by taluka wise.
and release them. Taluka and village level plans along with
You will
that.
notify them taluka wise.
Yeah, village taluka wise.
But what is the total target?
No, I think within the next 15 days, we will try to release 2 taluka plans of Pednem and Kankona, which are already, we have tick marked what is done. And slowly, another next 15 days, we'll release another plan. Like that, we intend to complete it by December.
A principal correspondent from Paravari, Murari Shetye, Aparna Gavandalkar, and video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Fishing community has threatened an agitation if government doesn't reconstruct the Mapsa market by 25th of August. General Secretary of Goincha Rampun Karanso Ekwot Matani Saldana has criticized government for constructing such a shoddy market for Mapshikars.
The fish and vegetable market at Mapsa is lying in a sorry state. The visitors inside the market are seen with umbrellas to protect themselves from the rain. Matani Saldana on Friday demanded the government to quickly reconstruct the Mapsa market. He threatened that if the market is not reconstructed by 25th of August, all the fishing markets in the state would start an agitation. President of Fish Vendors Association in Mapsa, Shashikala Govekar, and advisor of the association, Selsa Antaung, were present for the meeting.
By 25th or 30th of next month, the work on the toilet, on the market should start. If they don't do it, then we will not fight now only as Mapsa fishermen. Because practically, instead of public wasting, government wasting money on massive projects, the priority should be on the markets all over Goa, and also investigate into the misuse of funds and corruption involved in the construction activity of this market in view of seeing the MAPSA market.
Matani said that the market should be constructed in such a way that parking slot, proper drainage system, scientifically built sitting area should be made available to the fishermen. He also informed that earlier in 1989, Pratap Singh Rane had laid a foundation stone for the market. Later in 1991, Ravi Naik had inaugurated the complex. He criticized government for giving a shoddy fishing market to the Mapsekars.
I also want to say, I think that our chief minister at that time, but the chief ministers who inaugurated, as well as who laid the foundation stone, should hang their head in shame.
Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamble, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.